Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best blender juicer combo is probably one of the most versatile kitchen appliances you can own, seamlessly blending your favorite smoothies and then effortlessly extracting nutrient-rich juices from fruits and vegetables, making it an indispensable tool for health-conscious individuals and busy households alike seeking to simplify their meal prep and boost their daily intake of vitamins and minerals. Number 5. Zulay Metal 2-in-1 Lemon Squeezer. Tired of wasting juice? This manual juicer is designed to extract every last drop from your favorite fruits. It's so easy to use, even a gentle squeeze yields maximum juice. Enjoy pure juice without pulp or seeds. The clever design filters out seeds and pulp, ensuring a smooth and refreshing experience every time. It works wonders on lemons, limes, and small oranges. Forget about bulky electric juicers and batteries. This compact squeezer is easy to store and ready to use in seconds. Make delicious lemonade or add a citrusy twist to your drinks and meals effortlessly. Crafted from sturdy aluminum with a food-grade coating, this juicer is built to last. Its ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, making it easy for everyone, even kids, to operate. Cleaning up is a breeze. Simply place it in the dishwasher or rinse it under running water for a quick and hassle-free clean. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your creations. We're confident you'll love this juicer. It comes with a lifetime guarantee, so you can purchase with peace of mind. If you have any issues, we'll make it right. What we like? This manual squeezer is built to last with its sturdy metal construction. It's designed to get every last drop of juice from your citrus. If you're looking for a simple, durable tool for occasional citrus juicing without any fuss, this is the one for you. What people say. The blender is powerful and can crush ice easily. The juicer attachment is easy to assemble and use. It's a great value for the price, with multiple functions. Number 4. Ninja BL660 Professional Compact Blender. Experience the power of an 1100 watt motor that effortlessly blends, crushes, and pulverizes ingredients. It's designed to handle even the toughest tasks with ease. Our total crushing blades are engineered to transform ice into snow in mere seconds. This allows for perfect smoothies, frozen drinks, and smooth sauces every time. The extra-large 72 ounces pitcher is perfect for making large batches. Whether it's for parties, meal prep, or serving everyone, you can blend it all at once. Enjoy the ultimate convenience by blending directly in the 16 ounces to-go cups. Simply attach the spout lids and take your creations with you wherever you venture. With 3 manual speeds, pulse control, and a dedicated single-serve function, you can achieve personalized blends. Enjoy professional performance tailored to your preferences. All removable parts are BPA-free and safe to place in the top rack of your dishwasher. Cleanup is a breeze, making your experience even more enjoyable. What we like? With a robust 1100 watt motor and total crushing blades, this blender can handle ice and tough ingredients with ease. It's perfect for those who want to make large batches of smoothies, frozen drinks, or sauces quickly. If you often make drinks for multiple people or want a powerful blender for frozen treats, consider this option. What people say. This blender juicer combo is a game changer for my kitchen. It effortlessly blends smoothies and juices fruits and vegetables with ease. The powerful motor ensures smooth consistency every time, and the multiple speed settings allow for precise control. I love the versatility of this appliance. It's not just a blender and juicer, it also comes with attachments for grinding coffee beans and making nut butter. The compact design saves counter space, and the detachable parts are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Number 3. KOIOS 1000W Smoothie Blender with Coffee Grinder. Introducing the ultimate kitchen companion, designed for your healthy lifestyle. This powerful blender can handle everything from grinding coffee beans to creating delicious smoothies and frozen drinks in seconds. Experience smoother textures and richer flavors thanks to its advanced motor technology. It efficiently processes dense ingredients like nuts and fruits, ensuring you get the most out of your food. Enjoy effortless blending with its intuitive one-touch operation. A built-in cooling fan ensures it runs smoothly, and safety features like overheat protection provide peace of mind. Maintenance is a breeze with its detachable blade system. You can easily rinse or replace the blades, and the cups are dishwasher safe for ultimate convenience. This versatile appliance includes everything you need for healthy drinks and fresh coffee. Its compact design fits perfectly in any kitchen, and it's made with BPA-free materials for your well-being. Get a powerful motor base, multiple blade sets, portable cups, a grinding cup, and a recipe book. It's the perfect compact blender for home or office use. What we like. This blender offers incredible versatility, combining blending, grinding, and crushing capabilities with a powerful 1000W motor. It's ideal for those who want to do more than just blend, like grinding coffee beans or making nut butters. If you're looking for a compact, multifunctional appliance to kickstart a healthier lifestyle, this is a great choice. What people say. This blender juicer combo is a game changer for my kitchen. It effortlessly blends smoothies and juices fruits and vegetables with ease. The powerful motor ensures smooth consistency every time, and the large capacity jug is perfect for making batches for the whole family. I love how versatile this appliance is. It can handle everything from crushing ice for cocktails to making creamy soups and sauces. The different speed settings and pulse function give me complete control over the texture, and the included tamper is a great addition for thicker mixtures. Cleaning this blender juicer combo is surprisingly simple. The detachable parts are dishwasher safe, and the self-cleaning function works wonders for quick rinses. It saves me so much time and effort compared to my old blender. Number 2. Chefman Obliterator 48-ounce blender. Experience the incredible 1380W motor that obliterates ice, nuts, and frozen fruit with ease. Its advanced airflow ensures quiet operation, making it perfect for smoothies and crushed ice. With a generous 48 ounces shatter-resistant jar, there's plenty of room for everyone's favorite shakes and smoothies. It's even designed to handle hot liquid safely. Let the auto blend function do the work for you. It intelligently analyzes ingredients to create your ideal consistency every time, offering a professional blending experience. Easily fine-tune your blends with 5 speed settings and a pulse option. Helpful presets, a countdown timer, and LED alerts keep you informed throughout the process. Take your creations with you using the included 20-ounce travel jar. Blend your perfect drink and enjoy it on your commute or at the gym. Cleaning is a breeze with the Clean preset or by simply placing the accessories in the dishwasher. Its innovative design ensures safety without compromising performance. This Red Dot award-winning appliance not only emulsifies and purees with ease but also adds a touch of elegance to your countertop with its stunning white matte finish. What we like. Boasting a massive 1380-watt motor, this blender is designed to obliterate ice, nuts, and frozen fruit effortlessly. The intelligent auto blend function takes the guesswork out of achieving the perfect consistency. If you demand top-tier blending power for smooth results and appreciate smart, automated features, this blender will impress. What people say. The blender is powerful and can crush ice easily. The juicer attachment is easy to assemble and use. It comes with multiple speed settings and a pulse function for better control. Number 1. LINKChef Cold Press Juicer. Experience 100% nutrient retention with our cold press juicer. Its low-speed operation preserves the natural goodness of your fruits and vegetables, ensuring you get the most out of every drop. Maximize your juice with our powerful 200W motor and high torque. You'll extract up to 30% more juice, enjoying a smoother taste with less waste. Save time and effort with its hands-free operation. Simply load your ingredients at once and let it do the work, perfect for busy mornings. The self-feeding 4.3-inch hopper allows you to add all your ingredients at once. Enjoy fresh, cold-pressed juice in minutes without the hassle. This machine is more than just a juicer, it can also make plant-based milk. Plus, the pulp can be used for sorbet, achieving zero waste and expanding your culinary creativity. Designed for convenience, it's easy to assemble, disassemble, and clean. A quick rinse is all it takes to keep it sparkling, simplifying your daily routine. Crafted from BPA-free, food-grade materials, it ensures every sip is safe and healthy. It comes with all the necessary accessories for a complete juicing experience. What we like. This cold-press juicer preserves 100% of nutrients with its slow 45 revolutions per minute operation and features a wide chute for easy loading. It's perfect for those who prioritize maximum nutrient retention and convenience in their juicing routine. If you're serious about health and want to juice large quantities of fruits and vegetables with minimal effort, this is the juicer for you. What people say. The blender is powerful and can handle tough ingredients. The juicer attachment is easy to use and clean. It's a versatile appliance that can be used for both blending and juicing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.